restoring the great work of art in this museum. The people come from far place to visit this art.
Romans had a great knowledge in art and architecture.
Its backyard is filled with fresh nature. To explore more, we need to tour the world's nature.
Let's go to a tour starting with Egypt. Many textures are so impossible to create in this time what Egyptians has done.
The logic and creation of this art is impossible to understand.
Pyramids are the greatest architecture ever built in world.
Moving towards the largest rainforest in Africa.
The view of sunset over here is so awesome.
It's totally filled with grasslands, mountains, waterfalls, and species habitat surrounding. It is filled with clean environment. By looking this, we are amazed to tour the world to look around this nature. One of the largest waterfalls over here.
Now let's visit the Alaska of North America. It is known for its snowy nature and large landscapes.
The changing nature and view over here is more than to see.
Hiking feels so nice to play here. The sunshine and the snow looks a good combination to capture moments.
A memorable journey in Alaska which never disappoints to feel happy.
Let's look over to some old traditional nature of world. Like Japan, it's quite a season of autumn.
People still haven't forgotten their values and traditions here.
After looking towards to the journey, it looks like in future this nature will be forbidden and areas will be filled with building and pollution.